I've been making a lot of videos recently on Shopify dropshipping with Facebook ads, which definitely requires a lot more capital. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can start Shopify dropshipping with a $150 budget, which is a small amount compared to what you need with Facebook ads. That's thousands of dollars you need. I'm going to show you guys an exact method that you guys can actually apply today. It's something that's working right now, not something that worked like 2 years ago for me, like Instagram influencers, something that is actually effective right now that can generate you a lot of money. I am speaking from experience because I'm doing this exact method as we speak, and I'm not just going to explain a method and then not show you exactly how to do it. I'll actually show a product, show you guys exactly what you can do, and go from there because I want to help you guys out with this. I was once in a position where I only had $42 in my bank account, and I made dropshipping work with that same amount, and then the next day I made around $800. So that was awesome, and I'm hoping to help some of you guys out who do have a smaller budget. Before we get into this video, be sure to smash the like button and click subscribe below because I'm posting every single day dropshipping content, so look forward to that. But now that that is out of the way though, let's get into this topic. To start out, you need a Shopify account and you need to create a Shopify website. There are plenty of tutorials on YouTube that show you exactly how to create Shopify websites and good landing pages. I've actually made a video myself, so you can go through my channel and look for that because I'm not going to explain exactly how to do that in this video. But the first thing again you need is a Shopify store, and you also need a domain. Now you don't have to pay the $29 a month for the store just yet because you do have a 14-day free trial. So take advantage of that and plan this out to where you don't actually have to pay for this until you've already made money. The last thing you want to do is have $29 taken out of your bank account when you really don't have much money. So we won't count that as an expense, but you do need to buy a domain. I never suggest anyone uses a .myshopify domain. It looks bad and they don't really convert well. So I always suggest buying a domain. They cost around $14 on Shopify. They're really affordable and you don't actually have to set them up like you would if you bought it from GoDaddy or something like that. GoDaddy is where you could buy domains if you want to save a lot of money. It's, well, not even a lot. It's going to save you like $1 or $2. Personally, I like to save time rather than $1 or $2, so I just buy directly on Shopify. Now, the next thing you'll need to do is install some apps on your website. I suggest the bare minimum, Loox and de-essers if you're using AliExpress. If you're using another website to actually fulfill your orders, I'm going to show you guys a product on Etsy that you guys can actually dropship. I haven't seen this done before, but it is an amazing idea, and I think there's a lot of opportunity here for this product. But nonetheless, I would suggest the bare minimum you use Loox and de-essers, again, if you are using AliExpress to fulfill your orders. Loox is really good because it builds up a lot of social proof for your website, so essentially when people land on your product page, they will see that you have reviews on your website. They will trust you a lot more than if you have no reviews, which is something I always recommend. We live in a day and age when people are used to Amazon. If I go on Amazon to buy a product, the first thing I look at is reviews, and if I go on and the reviews are all 2 stars, I'm not going to buy the product, or if it has no reviews, I will definitely not buy a product on Amazon. I look through reviews to find ones of actual customers that have gone through, purchased the product, and written up a 1 to 2 paragraph review of the product explaining if I should buy it or not, which is something you should definitely take note of and structure into your website. Before you even get reviews for your product, you have to actually find the product itself. Some easy ways to find products. One thing I do is go on TikTok and type in TikTok made me buy it, or things I bought from TikTok or stuff like that, and scroll through the posts, and you will actually see a lot of products that are really good products, and people are literally just posting that they bought them because they saw someone else post it on TikTok. And if you see that same product being repeated in posts, you will notice that that is probably a banger product and you could potentially sell that yourself. Another easy way to find products is go on Instagram to go through meme pages and themed pages and see what products they're promoting. A good way to verify if the product is selling well, let's say you find a water bottle brand that's dropshipping water bottles on Instagram and you land on their Instagram page. All you have to do is navigate to the tagged section for their posts that they're tagged in, and if you see a few influencer posts up for the product, you know that they're actively paying money for advertising, which makes it pretty obvious that the product is bringing them money consistently right now. An example of a good product and brand that I found on TikTok, it's called Pluto Case or Pluto Cases. That is a case that sells an anti-gravity case that sticks to the wall. It's perfect for TikTok because people film videos on TikTok, and if you have a case that sticks to walls, it would be very easy to market it. So that store itself and that brand has blown up, and they're doing influencer promotions heavily on TikTok. So I saw that brand, I saw an influencer I'd actually worked with in the past use the Pluto case, so that's when I knew that the product was really good. That's not the product that I'm recommending you guys selling because it's already a product that's being sold a lot, and I think it will be really competitive for you guys to actually get into. Once you've found a product, you actually have to start marketing the product. So at this point, you should have $136 left left to actually market the product and spend money on ads. So how do you do this? The strategy I'm going to explain is TikTok influencer marketing. Now, before you click off this video and you're probably like, TikTok, that probably doesn't work. Like, I know it's just a ton of young kids. They're probably not going to buy. I am actively doing this on a few of my stores that are generating me anywhere from $100 to $300 every single day on autopilot. I don't touch anything in regards to the stores. I have it all outsourced. Now, I'm not suggesting you guys outsource this. I only have outsourced those stores because I have other projects that require more time that I need to actually delegate towards them. But TikTok influencers are very valuable. A big benefit to them is they are new to fame, so they don't really charge much money, if anything at all. A lot of TikTok influencers I've worked with in the past simply just promote your product if you send them one for free. An example is I have a clothing store that does really well on TikTok. I think I'm doing like $100 to $200 a day with that store. So it's really good. And again, this one is on autopilot. All I do is I send out 1 to 2 pieces of clothing every single week, and I bring in a few $1,000s every single month with the store on autopilot, which is really good, and I don't really spend much money on ads at all. Now, this will apply to you for dropshipping because you can do something very similar. If you find a product that works well, let's just say you were to sell an anti-gravity case, what you could do is you could take the product, send it to an influencer, and you can just Amazon Prime the product to them. And then what you can do is have them post it and tag you in the caption below. They can either tag your TikTok page, so you can create a TikTok page for the brand, or they can put your website link in the caption of the video if it is a short enough link to actually be typed out easily. And then how these customers actually land on your website is you can forward them to your Instagram page, and then they can click link in bio from your Instagram page, or again, they could just type in the domain directly from TikTok. That is a question I got asked a few times. People were like, how do I actually drive them from TikTok to my website, since TikTok doesn't allow everyone to actually add link in bio, which is pretty unfortunate. Now, that method in itself is extremely valuable. That can take you to a few $1,000s per month dropshipping and get your foot through the door with this business model. But I'm going to take it up a notch and show you guys a product that you guys can actively sell right now, because I want to help you guys out as much as you possibly can. Like I mentioned, I was once at a point where I had less than $50 in my bank account, and the next day I ran influencer promotions for a product and made me like a few $100s in a day, and now I'm at the point where I'm scaling stores. This was yesterday alone, over $17,000 on one store. So it takes time, but again, there are steps to all of this. So I'm going to start a screen recording on my computer and show you guys a super sick product that you guys can definitely sell right now doing this exact method. Now, we're on my computer, and you guys might be a little confused, like, what are you talking about? We're gonna sell stickers? Yes, hear me out. A lot of people promote custom Nikes, like these shoes. I'm not into shoes, so I don't know exactly what model this is, but they promote these custom Nikes that are essentially this product, and I think these sell for like $100, but people sell the custom ones for like $150 or $160 with these simple decals on them. A lot of people right now are into doing projects on their own and setting up stuff like this, so I thought that this would be a great product to actually sell due to the current situation in the world, because a lot of people are still home. A lot of people are going to be homeschooled now, so this could be a fun project that parents can do with their kids, where they get these decal stickers and install them onto their shoes. So essentially what you could do with this product is take it and create a website with it, and then create the product page, create everything, brand it nicely, and you can sell different decals. There are a lot of different Nike shoe decals that you can buy that aren't just butterflies. Like, there are flame ones that you can buy for guys. There's tons of cool stuff. But essentially what you can do is you can create a store called like, I don't know, maybe like shoedecal.com or like butterfly or fly decals or something like that. And then what you can do is go on TikTok and surf through your For You page, or just go on and try to find girls or guys that are willing to promote your product. How you can contact them is create an Instagram and TikTok page for this brand. So if it's flydecals.com, create an Instagram page called flydecals.com, or Fly Decals if that's available, and then you will create those pages and then start DMing people on this Instagram page. And let's say you have a TikToker with, let's just say, 500,000 followers that you reach out to, and you're like, yo, I'd love to send you out some free decals. All we ask in return is that you post a TikTok, film the whole process of you like putting these decals on your shoe, and then just tag us in the caption. If people say yes, then all you will simply do, come onto Etsy, place the order, and send these products to them. And then what will happen is, as you get orders in, you can dropship from Etsy. And then if someone comes onto your site and buys 4, let's just say you sell them for $19.99, you will come on here and fulfill them for $10, and then you will make the $10 profit. Now, that's not a crazy amount of profit, but you don't have a crazy big budget, so it definitely is a little difficult to have crazy margins when you're first starting out. That's essentially what you can do with this product and with this TikTok method. Another route you can go is you can create a TikTok page and actually post yourself making shoes like this, and then you could gain followers organically and actually start making sales organically. I've had a few times where I've done posts on TikTok for new stores that I want to test, and I do a simple video on TikTok, and some of them go viral, and then they generate me sales just from a video that I posted that I didn't even spend any money on ads or anything like that. So TikTok is definitely a valuable platform. You just have to get in there and learn exactly what works and then go from there. That's going to wrap it up on the $150 method for dropshipping. Again, hopefully someone takes action on this product because it is a cool product, and again, a lot of people sell these shoes custom made already for like a $60 markup. So if you just sold the kits for $20, a lot of people would be inclined to actually buy them from you. I hope you guys got massive value from this video. If you did, smash the like button and click subscribe below because I post daily dropshipping content. Also, if you have any questions or concerns, you can always drop those in the comment section below. But again, that is going to wrap it up for today's video. Hope you guys again did enjoy, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video.